I was military, Army, and I went to work for the Navy for DOD. And global business is quite a degree that's popular with military because it helps them transition. I had already transitioned out of the military, but it does give you that perspective on different leadership styles in the outside world versus military, and I think that's how I got to learn about it. The MSGL program is designed to help veterans transition, so that in itself, it's a great support. From day one, to be honest, I felt super welcome. USD has an amazing center, and even if you're not able to go there in person, they're always there. Before I even came to USD, they had already worked with your benefits if you still have them. If you don't, they're very resourceful. It's a yellow ribbon school, which means they are very supportive of veterans. There are 4 study abroads that are available for MSGL students, and I think that anybody, even that's working, is able to be part of them just because they're short. They're either 1 week or 2 weeks, and they're not right back to back. So we had one September, January, May, and so they're very accessible. And honestly, I must say it's the best part of the program. Through the program, I've been to Ensenada, Mexico, Buenos Aires, Argentina, Lisbon, Portugal, and Madrid, Spain. And I'm getting ready to go to Tokyo, Japan. I don't have a favorite one because they're very unique. You get to learn not only from the professors, not only get the support from the center, but the relationships you build with your cohort, I think, are lifelong.